Welcome back to our channel. It's me here, Deandra. So I am filming this on Earth Day. Happy Earth Day to everybody. However, you won't be seeing this on Earth Day because this experiment takes a couple of days to kind of dry down. So I'll be talking to you today, showing you how to do the experiment, and then in a couple days from now, I'll show you how it turns out and everything like that. So today, I wanted to show you guys how to make plastic out of milk and vinegar. Okay, now stay with me. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but it's a plastic that's better for the environment, and also it's a plastic that once it dries down, you can draw on it whatever you want. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that, and let's get started. So these are some of the materials that you'll need. You'll need vinegar, a cup of milk. I put my cup inside of this bowl just so it's easier for you guys to see. A plate, a tablespoon, a cup to transfer the plastic in once you start seeing the reaction, and you'll need some cookie cutters as well with like fun different shapes. This is optional, you don't necessarily need this, but I have this star one, so I'm going to be using that. And I have some napkins next to me just in case for cleanup, and I also will be using gloves. You'll also need some Sharpie markers. Doesn't matter what color, it can be any markers as long as you have them. Alright, so let's get started. Now that we have a better setup, you can see the milk inside of the bowl right here. So I'm going to be taking my vinegar, and we're going to need 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So if you need help with this, ask your parent. Make sure you're really careful with this so that it doesn't get too messy. So I'm going to be holding my spoon over my bowl so it doesn't get too messy. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So I'm going to close this. Alright. So once we put the vinegar in, you can see there's kind of a reaction happening. Let me bring it closer to the camera so that you could see. In this little corner, you can see the vinegar reacting with the milk. It's kind of clustering together in the center. So we're going to let that sit for a little bit. We're going to stir it for about 60 seconds. And you could see like the bits and pieces kind of coming together. So when you're done stirring, what you want to do is take a strainer. I don't have a strainer on me, so I'm going to be pouring the extra liquid inside of a cup. So give me a second, I'll be right back, and then we can start from there again. Okay, so I put all my extra liquid on this side, and this is what I'm left with when I take everything out. So the vinegar and milk together react, and it leaves this kind of behind. So this is what we're going to use to make our little plastic shape with. So it kind of makes like a synthetic kind of plastic, which is better for the environment. So once we have this left, if you have gloves, you could use gloves. You don't need gloves, but I'm going to pick up this extra little like plastic bits behind, and I'm going to take my cookie cutter, which is right here. I have a little star-shaped one, and I'm going to place it down, and I'm going to put the extra plastic pieces inside to keep it shaped. Make sure you push it in all the way. It should be down all the way. So I'm just doing it on this napkin. And let's double tissue it so that it doesn't get too messy. So I'm going to put it here. So we're going to push that in here to keep its shape. The extra you could just put on the side because we don't need that. So I'm just going to place the extras on the side so that it can keep its shape kind of. Okay, so this is the part where you're going to have to be patient because this takes 48 hours to dry. So that's 2 days. So in 2 days, we'll come back and I'll show you guys what to do from there. Hi guys, so it is 2 days later, and I wanted to show you the outcome of the milk and vinegar plastic. So it comes out more of like a foam consistency. As you can see, it's still in the star shape that I left it in, that I used. So I just colored it. So this is where the Sharpies are going to come in handy. So I just colored it different colors, and I put MASP, which is our program for all of you guys. So this is what it should come out looking like after the 48 hours, the 2 days of it drying. It could still be a little wet, which is why I have the napkin underneath it to absorb some of the moisture from it. But this is what it should look like when it's done. And it's a lot better for the environment. I know it's called plastic, but it comes out more of like looking like foam, but that's still okay because it's still better for the environment because it's just milk and vinegar. So I hope you guys try this and you enjoy it, and comment down below if it worked for you, if you liked it. So I really miss you guys, and I hope you guys are well and staying safe at home, and I really, really hope to see you guys soon. Bye guys.